Hello to the 5 people watching, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about a subject that I think it's important. The importance of being flexible and adaptable. Now, if you watch my channel, you may think that I am a Bitcoin Maxi, that I'm somebody who only likes investing in Bitcoin and nothing else. But that's not actually true. To be completely honest with you guys, I've actually started investing. The first time I put money in any kind of investment was in an index fund. Index fund that was following the S&P from the United States, the S&P 500. Now that was before I actually found out about Bitcoin. Then I came to the conclusion that Bitcoin is a better investment. I took my money out of there and I put them into Bitcoin. But I'm not a Bitcoin Maxi. I think it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where you invest in, to be honest. The only thing that matters is that your portfolio goes up every year by as much as possible. And the reason I'm making this video is because I've missed something, and that is the precious metal, specifically gold and silver. Other precious metals have been appreciating a lot in value, but nowhere near as close as gold and especially silver. Let's talk about 2025. So in 2025, early 2025, I still expected Bitcoin to do very well for that year, right? It was year number 3 of the bull market, and normally that was the year that Bitcoin was supposed to have a blow off top. But it didn't. I mean, yes, it went higher, but percentage-wise, from the end of 2024 until the October top of 2025, Bitcoin didn't even go up by 20%. I think it was like 17%, which was underwhelming to say the least. But because I remember I was watching gold at the time, well, for the same time frame, gold went up more than 100%. And as the making of this video, it hasn't topped yet, so it may still go higher, which is a lot better of a return, right? But if you look at silver, it's even better, because silver went up more than 300% in the same time frame. I wasn't looking at silver in early 2025, but I was looking at silver in November, about 3 months ago. I was looking at silver, and silver just reached the $50 per ounce valuation, and it made a slight pullback to $45. And I was thinking, should I invest? Is it a good idea? But I didn't. I didn't, because I thought silver was close to topping out, which turned out to be wrong, because silver not only wasn't topping out, but it ended up rallying from $45 to $120 and change. And now, potentially right now, is showing some signs that he may have reached a if not the top, maybe a local top. And yeah, I missed out on gains. I missed out on the possibility of my portfolio appreciating a lot more in value, because I was a bit maybe too focused on Bitcoin for 2025. And now I don't think I'm gonna buy silver. 100% I'm not going to buy, because it may have topped out already. But even gold, I'm not sure. I don't like buying tops. I know with precious metals is different, obviously. It takes years, decades for these cycles to form, and when they blow off top, they really blow off top. That move can last months, but you never know. So I think it's risky right now. The point of this video is, it's good to be pragmatic. It's good to be open-minded and take into account other forms of investments besides crypto, besides Bitcoin. Because even though Bitcoin has been definitely the best appreciating asset in the last 10 years, who knows if that's going to be the same for the next 10 years. We'll have to wait and see. I'm still very positive about Bitcoin. I believe in the long-term feasibility of Bitcoin. I think more and more people will start buying Bitcoin, percentage-wise, out of the total population of this planet. But we'll have to wait and see when it comes to performance, right? Because you can have moments such as 2025, when everybody expected Bitcoin to have some very nice move to the upside, but it didn't. And not only that, I forgot to mention something. So when I said made less than a 20% move in 2025, I meant on its dollar pair. Because if you look at the euro pair, it almost did nothing, because the dollar was a bit weaker than the euro in 2025. Bitcoin barely made a new all-time high in 2025 on its euro pair. So yeah, be open-minded. The most important thing is for your portfolio to go up. I'm flexible. I'm not a Bitcoin Maxi, and at the end of the day, you want your portfolio to go high. You want to have those gains every year, to have the freedom, to have the financial freedom to live your life the way you want to live your life. I think that's the most important part. Not having to go to some dead-end job and be free, right? Yeah, be free. Freedom is the most important asset. That's what I want, that's what I care. And I'll be investing in everything that I think you will appreciate. And that's a lesson for me to remember for the future. And from now on, to be more pragmatic and take seriously other assets besides Bitcoin. But I think that's it for today. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed these videos, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.